Tummy time is crucial for babies. It is a simple yet powerful activity that lays the groundwork for their physical and cognitive development. It helps them grow strong and develop important skills. By spending time on their tummies, babies build the muscles in their neck, shoulders, arms, and back, which are essential for future milestones like crawling, sitting, and walking. During tummy time, babies lift their heads, push up their chests, and move their arms and legs. These movements are not just random, they are critical exercises that enhance their motor skills and coordination. This strengthens their muscles and helps them reach developmental milestones. The more they practice, the more proficient they become at controlling their bodies, which boosts their confidence and independence. Tummy time is not just about physical strength, it also plays a vital role in sensory development. As babies explore their environment from a different perspective, they engage multiple senses simultaneously. As babies lie on their tummies, they experience different textures, sounds, and sights, which stimulate their senses. This sensory input is crucial for brain development, helping them make sense of the world around them. These sensory experiences are essential for their overall development and learning. They help babies develop cognitive skills, such as problem solving and attention to detail, which are foundational for later learning. Beyond the physical and sensory benefits, tummy time fosters bonding between parents and babies. It is a special time for parents to connect with their little ones, providing comfort and security. It provides an opportunity for parents to engage with their little ones, make eye contact, and create loving interactions. These moments of closeness are vital for emotional development and help build a strong parent-child relationship. These moments of connection strengthen the parent-child bond and create lasting memories. The joy and laughter shared during tummy time can have a lasting impact on a child's emotional well-being. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the specific benefits of tummy time, provide practical tips for starting and maintaining a successful routine, and offer creative ideas to make it an enjoyable experience for both babies and parents. We will explore how to make tummy time a fun and engaging part of your daily routine. Remember, tummy time is an investment in your baby's present and future well-being. By dedicating time each day to this important activity, you are setting the stage for your baby's healthy growth and development. Tummy time is like a workout for your baby's muscles. It's a simple yet powerful activity that can have a profound impact on your baby's physical development. It helps them develop the strength and coordination they need to roll, crawl, sit, and eventually walk. Each of these milestones is a crucial step in your baby's journey towards becoming more mobile and independent. When babies lie on their tummies, they use their neck and back muscles to lift their heads, strengthening these important muscle groups. This action not only builds muscle but also enhances their ability to explore their surroundings. This head control is essential for reaching developmental milestones. It allows babies to interact more with their environment, which is key for cognitive and sensory development. As babies push up with their arms during tummy time, they build upper body strength. This strength is not just for movement, but also for stability, which is important as they start to sit up and eventually stand. This strength is crucial for tasks like reaching, grasping, and eventually, self-feeding. These activities require fine motor skills and coordination, which are developed through consistent tummy time. Tummy time also helps develop the muscles in their shoulders, chest, and core, providing a strong foundation for future physical activities. A strong core is essential for balance and posture, which are important as your baby grows. Beyond building strength, tummy time also helps prevent flat spots on the back of the head. This is particularly important in the early months when babies spend a lot of time lying down. When babies spend too much time lying on their backs, it can create pressure on the back of their heads, leading to flat spots. These flat spots can affect the shape of the head and may require medical intervention if not addressed. Tummy time helps alleviate this pressure and promotes a more rounded head shape. A well-rounded head shape is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also important for brain development. The physical benefits of tummy time extend far beyond infancy. The skills and strength developed during tummy time are foundational for more complex movements and activities as your child grows. The muscle strength and coordination developed during these early months lay the foundation for a lifetime of physical activity, healthy development, and overall well-being. Encouraging regular tummy time can set your baby on a path to a healthy and active lifestyle, benefiting them for years to come. Starting tummy time early and making it a part of your baby's daily routine is key to reaping its numerous benefits. Tummy time helps in strengthening your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, which are essential for their overall development. Begin with short sessions of a few minutes at a time, gradually increasing the duration as your baby gets accustomed to it. Start with just a couple of minutes and slowly work your way up to longer periods as your baby becomes more comfortable and stronger. The ideal time to introduce tummy time is when your baby is alert and content, such as after a diaper change or a nap. This ensures that your baby is in a good mood and more likely to enjoy the activity. Create a comfortable and stimulating environment for tummy time. Place your baby on a firm surface, such as a play mat or a blanket on the floor. A firm surface provides the necessary support for your baby to push up and move around. Ensure the area is well lit and free from any hazards. A well-lit area helps your baby see their surroundings better, making the experience more engaging. You can also add stimulating elements, such as colorful toys or a mirror, to keep your baby engaged. Toys that make noise or have different textures can be particularly interesting for your baby. During tummy time, interact with your baby to make it more enjoyable. Get down on the floor with them, make eye contact, sing songs, or talk to them. Your interaction not only makes tummy time more fun, but also helps in bonding with your baby. Your presence and encouragement will make a world of difference in their experience. Babies love to see their parents' faces and hear their voices, which can make tummy time a special bonding moment. Remember, every baby is different, and some may take to tummy time more readily than others. It's important to be patient and not to force your baby if they seem uncomfortable or upset. Be patient, follow your baby's cues, and adjust the duration and frequency of sessions as needed. If your baby seems tired or fussy, it's okay to take a break and try again later. The key is consistency and making tummy time a positive experience for your baby. Tummy time doesn't have to be just about lying on the floor. It can be an opportunity for exploration and play. Get creative and incorporate fun activities to keep your baby engaged and entertained. Use toys that encourage reaching, grasping, and visual tracking, such as rattles, teething toys, or soft blocks. Place your baby on their tummy in front of a mirror. Babies are fascinated by their reflections, and this can provide endless entertainment during tummy time. You can also lie down on the floor facing your baby and engage in face-to-face interaction, making funny faces or singing songs. Another fun activity is to create a tummy time obstacle course. Use pillows, blankets, or rolled-up towels to create gentle inclines and obstacles for your baby to navigate. This not only adds an element of fun, but also helps develop their motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Remember to rotate the toys and activities regularly to keep things interesting for your baby. Tummy time should be a positive and enjoyable experience that fosters their development and love for exploration.